Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the February TOYL box. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. So yeah, today's video we are going to be unboxing the February TOYL box. Just covered my address there. So this box costs £40 per month. This is the most expensive box that I pay for, but it's so worth it because the brands that you get in here are top notch. So this box is generally recommended for 30, 35, 40 plus. But I always say, just, you can get it when you're younger. Prep your skin while you're young. I'm a late starter and I regret it. I neglected my skin so bad, but now I'm playing catch up. But yeah, let's open this up and have a sneak peek. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Inside we have the edit card. It has all the information on the products in the box, which is great. And then there is a sneaky peek of what's inside. Let's get to digging and seeing exactly what we've got. Back to the edit card. It does say here that this box has a value of £123. I don't know what this edit is called. It does say here instant lift eye, neck and lip, so I'm just going to call it instant lift. Hi guys, so the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Plump It. And it says transformative multi-target formula containing argiline to smooth, tighten and lift. Apply the formula and watch your fine lines, wrinkles and eye bags and pores tighten and disappear within 3 minutes. Results last for 6 to 9 hours. Wow, okay, that sounds super cool. Let's just open this up to see exactly what we've got. Open it on up. Ah, right, okay, yeah. And then we have instructions and stuff there, and it says read before use, so it's just giving you a proper lowdown on how to use it there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So you can get more than one treatment in a little vial. Yeah, you just obviously break that off, twist the top off, use it, and then you can turn it around and that bit there goes back on. That makes no sense whatsoever. It made sense to me. Yeah, but I'm gonna leave all of them sealed because when I use this, I want all the benefits nice and fresh. I can't wait to test this out under my eyes and especially on my lines on my forehead. Yeah, this has got me super excited. Did I mention this has a value of £20? I think I did, but yeah. So the second product in the box we have is this. This is by the brand Gatu and it's a Defi Lift Firming Neck and Décolleté gel. This has a value of £56. Our neck and décolletage gel visibly firms and tightens the décolleté area, leaving it instantly smooth and tightened. With a complex of targeted and active, this vulnerable area is intensively rejuvenated for a smoother, more youthful appearance. A multitasking gel to visibly tone, firm and refine slackened skin. That sounds absolutely amazing. Instantly smooth, tone and tighten. You know, awesome, because since I've like lost weight, I have gotten really crepey, saggy, horrible skin there. I mean, you can't see it at the minute, but sometimes when I move around and happen to see it, if I've got like on my phone or looking in a mirror or something, and it's awful. So I can't wait to try that to see if it actually works, because So the third product we have in the box is this. This is by the brand Dolphin and it's Hydra Skin All Day Eye Refresh Gel Cream. This has a value of £39 and it just says reduce puffiness around the eyes and banish dark circles with Dolphin's Feather Light Hydra Skin Gel Cream. Infused with a hydrating botanical complex, it helps refresh and revive the look of your eyes. As skin transitions from fatigued to glowing, your face will look naturally brighter, providing an excellent canvas for makeup application. You can use it morning and night. Ooh, I love eye creams. You don't have to use eye creams. You can use face cream under your eyes. You can use eye cream on your face. Generally you find that eye creams are way more expensive than face creams because when you get them, they're so small. But yeah, that is what that is. I'm keeping this sealed because I am super excited to try this out. I want to do it now. No, we're going to keep it. Great brand, by the way. Great brand. Awesome. Fourth and final item in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Voyager and it's hemp hand cream. It has a value of £8. Take a hands-on approach to skincare with this intensive treatment for dry hands. Organic omega-rich hemp seed oil is combined with a moisturising cocoa butter and hyaluronic acid supplied in a portable 50ml tube in a presentation box. Our rich premium hand cream is fragrance-free and absorbs quickly into the skin, making hands feel soft, hydrated without leaving them greasy. The natural moisture properties of hemp seed oil provide long-lasting nourishment for the very driest of hands, meaning this cream can be used sparingly whilst also being a great benefit, containing no CBD or THC. Yeah, cool. I don't get excited about hand creams anymore because in all the beauty boxes that I unbox, ever since the pandemic, we have received so much hand cream and I have like basically nearly a whole drawer full of just hand creams. I mean, it's nice to get one by a different brand I've never ever received before, and I am a bit partial to hemp, so I will give it a go to see what it's like. Obviously if it's good, it's good at the end of the day. Oh, I wonder as well if it's that good on your hands, and it can be for very dry hands. You can use this on your feet as well, I suppose. This is the February TOYL box, Time of Your Life, and this edit is called Instant Lift. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a fantastic box and I am in love with the brands that are in this box. So let's just take a quick recap. So yeah, we have the Plumbit, the No Needles Derma Filler. Honest to God, I'm so intrigued to see what that is like. I can't wait to see my eye wrinkles disappear. That would be cool. And yeah, Gatu is another awesome brand. And yeah, I need to start investing in all of my skin when it comes to skincare. I can generally keep forgetting about this bit here, so yeah, we'll have to start slapping that on there and see if it makes a difference. Dolphin, another fantastic brand, and yeah, a nice expensive eye cream to slither on to see if that works. And yeah, a hemp hand cream by a brand I've never heard of before, Voyager. Again, not super excited about a hand cream, but I'm willing to give it a go to see if it's any good. Especially, like I said, if it's great for super dry hands, why can't it be good for feet too? Use it on your hands and your trotters. But yeah, overall, I think it's a really good box and I look forward to trying the products out. But yeah, what do you think? Comment down below and let me know. That basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.